we're gonna see how the pizza stone does with these. A little lower temp than what they call for, but the way these heat up, I think about 300 is gonna be right. Okay. We'll set the timer, come back. All right, here we go. One out. Okay, we cooked at a lower temperature. Let's see. Normally you're going to get burnt on the ends. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Perfect.
Ooh, nice and warm. So you just got to pay attention to them when they're cooking. That pizza stone, even though it is cracked right down the center, does help to distribute that temperature, the heat, and help reduce burning of your food. There you go. Tried and tested.